You are what I'm looking for. I know what I'm looking for.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Spellbinders Quick and Easy Card Kit of the Month. This is the June kit, which is called A Little Hello. And I'm just going to quickly show you the contents, so what's inside this kit. First up, we have these beautiful acetate three-dimensional butterflies, and you get 10 butterflies here. And then you get a pack of 6x6 pattern paper, a whole bunch of ephemera. You get some chipboard frames, and these are stickers. And then you get a pack of chipboard stickers, some pre-cut colored cardstock panels, A2 envelopes and card bases, some adhesive foam and double-sided tape, and then you also get this gorgeous sequin mix, and it has some iridescent sprinkles and some little tiny butterflies in there too. Super cute. So I'm going to open up all of the contents of this kit and start digging through. I'm going to dump all of my ephemera into a little bucket so that I can quickly dig through and be able to find some fun pieces for my cards. So I'm going to dive into this kit and make some cards for you. I'll turn on a little bit of music so that you can watch my process, and I'll catch you back on the other side. Okay, so here is a look at all 3 cards that I made. I really had fun with these cards and the different elements, and it was really easy to be creative with all of the curated products in this kit. Okay, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed my process and creating these 3 beautiful cards. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to spend it here with me. I appreciate the support as always. Coming up on screen is a playlist for more Spellbinders quick and easy card kit videos. I hope that you'll check those out. Have yourself a lovely day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!